Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to making your outdoor space a masterpiece. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into a timeless landscaping trend, the backyard stone garden. But what exactly does this mean? At its core, a backyard stone garden is a landscape design that prioritizes various types of rocks, stones, and gravel as the primary visual and structural elements, rather than just grass or traditional flower beds. It is an intentional arrangement where the hardscape takes center stage, often inspired by Japanese Zen gardens, alpine rockeries, or modern minimalist designs. A stone garden isn't just a pile of rocks. It is a carefully curated space where the textures, colors, and shapes of natural stone create a permanent, artistic foundation for your outdoor living area. Choosing a stone garden offers a multitude of practical and aesthetic benefits that can completely change how you enjoy your home. The most significant advantage is the drastic reduction in maintenance. Say goodbye to endless mowing, weeding, and heavy watering. Stones are incredibly durable and weather-resistant, meaning your garden will look just as beautiful in the middle of winter as it does in the peak of summer. Additionally, stone gardens are an eco-friendly choice, especially in drought-prone areas, as they require very little water and prevent soil erosion. They also add a sense of permanent structure and high-end curb appeal to your property, often increasing its overall value while providing a peaceful, serene environment that feels connected to the rugged beauty of nature. To make your stone garden look truly professional and beautiful, you need to focus on the balance between texture and contrast. Start by layering different sizes of stones. Use fine gravel or crushed slate for pathways, medium-sized river rocks for borders, and large, hero boulders as focal points to create a sense of scale. Incorporate lighting to highlight the natural silhouettes of the rocks at night. Solar-powered spotlights or recessed pavers can create a magical atmosphere. You should also integrate soft elements like weather-resistant wooden furniture, outdoor rugs, or a sleek fire pit to break up the hardness of the stone. By playing with different colors, such as mixing cool gray granites with warm tan sandstones, you can create a visual depth that keeps the garden from looking flat or industrial. While stones are the stars of the show, the right greenery acts as the perfect supporting cast to bring life to the design. The best plants for a stone garden are typically those that are hardy, drought-tolerant, and possess interesting textures. Succulents like echeveria and sedum are classic choices because they tuck perfectly into small crevices between rocks. Ornamental grasses, such as blue fescue or fountain grass, add movement and a soft contrast to the rigid stones. For a pop of color, consider rock-loving perennials like lavender, creeping thyme, or alpine phlox, which will spill over the edges of stones beautifully. If you want a more structured look, slow-growing evergreens or Japanese maples provide a stunning architectural element that complements the permanent nature of the stonework. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best backyard stone garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the modern Corten Fire Feature Oasis. This design features a striking rusted steel fire wall that provides an industrial chic backdrop to a clean white stone patio. The use of large square pavers interspersed with low-growing ground cover creates a geometric pattern that feels both organized and organic, perfect for a contemporary home. 2. Gabion Wall Garden with Agapanthus Accents. Utilizing stone-filled wire cages or gabion walls, this idea creates a sturdy and artistic boundary. The vibrant purple agapanthus flowers and sharp yucca plants provide a brilliant contrast against the gray stones, showing how vertical stone elements can define a seating area. 3. Multi-level hillside spa and fire pit. This luxury design maximizes a sloped view by dividing the space into functional zones. It features a sleek wooden deck for a hot tub alongside a circular flagstone patio for seating, all tied together by a winding concrete path and textured river rock borders. 4. The tiered rock waterfall in Zen Stream. For those who love the sound of water, this design uses stacked flat stones to create a naturalistic waterfall. The water trickles down into a rocky bed surrounded by lush greenery and purple blossoms, turning a sloped backyard into a refreshing mountain-style escape. 5. Spherical water fountain on pebble bed. Simplicity is key in this design, featuring a perfectly round stone fountain sitting atop a bed of mixed river pebbles. This creates a soothing focal point that works well in smaller yards, especially when framed by a neat wooden deck and a manicured lawn. 6. Sunken fire pit with Adirondack comfort. This cozy setup uses a circular gravel pit framed by a low-stack stone retaining wall. The warmth of the wooden Adirondack chairs and the central metal fire bowl makes this the ultimate evening hangout spot, nestled comfortably within a lush, wooded perimeter. 7. Stepping stone pond crossing. Bring a sense of adventure to your garden with large, flat boulders used as stepping stones across a shallow garden pond. This design integrates water and stone perfectly, creating a transition between a stone patio and a grassy lawn while encouraging guests to interact with the landscape. 8. Japanese Zen path with stone lantern. Embrace tranquility with a winding path of smooth, flat stones set into a bed of fine light-colored gravel. The inclusion of a traditional stone pagoda lantern and carefully pruned mosses creates a meditative atmosphere that honors the ancient art of Japanese gardening. 9. Minimalist white gravel courtyard. This ultramodern look uses bright white gravel to reflect light, making a small courtyard feel much larger. Dark gray slate pavers create a floating walkway effect, while architectural grasses and a simple corten water basin add a touch of refined elegance. 10. Multi-textured desert rockery. This design celebrates diversity in stone by mixing white gravel, dark gray slate, and large tan boulders. The planting of miniature pines and golden yellow flowering shrubs creates a low-water arid look that is high on style and requires almost zero maintenance. Creating a backyard stone garden is more than just a landscaping choice. It is an investment in a lifestyle of ease and natural beauty. Whether you prefer the sharp lines of a modern courtyard or the rugged charm of a mountain stream, stones provide the perfect canvas to express your personal style. By combining different textures, thoughtful lighting, and resilient plants, you can turn your backyard into a permanent sanctuary that looks incredible in every season. We hope these 10 ideas have sparked your imagination and shown you just how versatile stone can be in your outdoor space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. Which of these 10 stone garden ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your home projects. For more tips on plants and outdoor living, check out our previous videos on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.